If you're trying to grow an email list and want to know how to get subscribers in AWeber, you're in the right place. But before you start, there are some key things about AWeber that most people don't realize, especially when it comes to maximizing signups. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to grow your list and why you might want to consider a better alternative. First, AWeber makes it simple to create a sign up form, but the real challenge is optimizing it. Most people just use the basic form settings and hope for the best, but that's a mistake. The default templates are outdated, and if your form looks generic, fewer people will subscribe. Instead, tweak the design, add a compelling call to action, and, most importantly, integrate it with a high converting landing page. Next, automation is a game changer. AWeber lets you create automated email sequences, but their automation builder isn't as flexible as other platforms. You can set up welcome emails, follow-ups, and basic drip campaigns, but if you need advanced segmentation or behavior-based triggers, you'll hit limitations. And that can mean lost subscribers. The third thing, deliverability matters. AWeber has solid email deliverability, but it's not the best. Some users report issues with emails landing in the Promotions tab instead of the primary inbox. This happens when emails aren't personalized enough or when AWeber's IP reputation fluctuates. To improve this, use plain text emails when possible and encourage subscribers to whitelist your emails. Then, list management. AWeber charges based on the number of subscribers, including inactive ones. So if you don't regularly clean your list, you're overpaying for people who don't even open your emails. Some competitors offer built-in list cleaning tools, but with AWeber, you'll need a third-party service or manual cleanup. Finally, integrations. AWeber connects with a lot of third-party apps, but some key integrations, especially with modern funnel builders, aren't as smooth as they should be. If your business relies on deep integrations, you might run into frustrating limitations. So, is AWeber good for getting subscribers? Yes, but it has its downsides. After testing multiple platforms, I found a better alternative that makes it easier to grow an email list with higher deliverability, smarter automation, and better pricing. If you want a smoother experience, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.